We are here at 16th Street Circle. This circle has been a partnership between the District Department of Transportation and the Maryland State Highway Administration, primarily because it borders between both jurisdictions. Safety is our #1 priority here. Vision Zero is all about safety. High visibility crosswalks so that pedestrians have a safe passage across the intersection. The refuge islands that we put in there. We also coordinate the signal timing. That's what was a big issue to make sure this project worked. So as you'll look around the corridor now, you'll see that all these lights are signalized on a timing mechanism to make sure that traffic does flow smoothly through. But again, that partnership that we have with Maryland has been fantastic. We work collaboratively with them. Our Transportation Engineering Signals Division did a fantastic job of working with the Maryland State Highway Association, as well as working with our internal team to get this project completed.